In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create the best possible Amazon affiliate articles for completely free using WordRocket. So obviously first you want to head over to wordrocket.ai, log into your dashboard, and this is how you're going to get started. So we're going to use the product Roundup generator. This allows you to create comprehensive product comparison articles to help readers make an informed purchasing decision. So the first thing that you can do is you can enter in your sitemap. So we will actually include internal links throughout the article. For this example, I'm just going to turn it off, but you can definitely scan your sitemap, right? It's going to retrieve all of the up-to-date URLs and you can use that throughout the article. Then you can choose your content language. And now here's the fun part. This is where we can start writing about our topic or the products in which we would like to write about. There's two main ways in which you can start creating your Roundup article. One is by manually inputting your product. So for example, let's say you have a couple of different products that have specific pricing, specific specifications that you want to add. You can simply go ahead and add those products into this section manually. The second way, and the most convenient way, is by using the web search feature. So for example, let's say we wanted to do a product roundup about the best wireless headphones for streaming, right? This is the article in which we like to write about. We can use this as a research term, and we're going to use Perplexity AI, which is the best search API to get the best information and the most up-to-date information about this topic to help you write the best possible roundup article. For this word count, I'm going to make it a little bit higher. Let's aim for 5,000 words. We're going to leave the intended audience. Actually, let's go ahead and enter the intended audience. So we're going to make it YouTubers and streamers. Additional context, that's something in which you can enter. Additional custom outline, you can also enter that. We're going to leave everything on. So we're going to write from the first person perspective. We're going to include hooks. We're going to include anecdotes, stories, and include a custom HTML element. And that's all that you have to do. Your article is ready to go, and you can start generating. Now, so once you click generate, your content will start generating. We've made some major overhaul to WordRocket. Specifically, we've made it that all of your content generation when you're using OpenRouter will be done in the background. So I did mention that this is completely free, and it is free to use WordRocket. But to use WordRocket, you have to use your own API key. So in order to add your API key, you want to head over to settings and OpenRouter. If you haven't done this before, it's very, very easy to do. Anyone can do it. And then you want to head over to the hamburger icon here, go to, keys, and then copy over, create API key, and then copy it over. You do need to have $10 enabled onto your OpenRouter to use their API. So you need to pre-set $10, and then you can use it. And that's all you need to do, right? This will literally cost you. Let's go ahead and take a look. Let's see if we can actually see how much this is going to cost us. So right now we can see that Sonar Reasoning Pro is being used. It costs us 0.0187. So that's how much it's going to cost us to do the research. And then we're going to get some numbers as to how much it would cost us to actually write the article. So it is one of the lowest cost options you can have, because even if you're going to write your content, you're going to use some different model. You're going to use Claude or you're going to use ChatGPT. So you are still paying for that. In this way, you're actually paying a lot less because, again, you're using it directly. And we give you 3 free articles per day, which is very, very generous. That rate limit may change, just a disclaimer there. But you get to create content for completely free using WordRocket. And if you wanted to get unlimited generations, of course, you can then upgrade to the unlimited access, which is only $10 per month. So very, very affordable. And you also get access to the bulk blog post generator. You get access to our WordPress integration. So our WordPress integration is now live and it's working. You can see all of the setup instructions there so you can connect. I'll show you quickly what that looks like. So once you connect your WordPress, you can simply click WordPress. You'll be able to see the blog post title. You can put it in draft. You can change your author. You can add your categories and your tags and post that article directly to WordPress. So now the article is finished. Let's go ahead and view content. Remember, best wireless headphones. Sorry, it's still being generated in the background. So this is what it's going to look like once it's generating. Give it about a minute, so come back and the article will be completed. We also have some new models which allow you to generate text and images all in one. So for instance, look at this article here. It is beautiful. It has our H1, it has our cover image, it has some images throughout the article as well, and it looks really, really good. We have some tables. We can literally go to Markdown, copy over this Markdown with the images embedded and paste that onto our website. Or as I mentioned earlier, we can post that directly to WordPress by using the WordPress integration. Okay, so our article is completed. And again, that only took us a couple of minutes. So the ultimate guide to the best wireless headphones streaming in 2025, picture this, blah, blah, blah. So we can see the content format is a little off. I would definitely like to get that much better. So the preview is a little bit off. So all you have to do is copy over the Markdown, head over to Markdown to HTML converter. If you want it to look how it's going to look like on your actual website, paste that in there. And as you can see, it looks beautiful. The key takeaways have been a little bit odd with the new Claude Sonnet model. So just keep in mind, we are working on that. But overall, everything looks great. So picture this, you're 3 hours into your most successful stream yet. Viewer count is climbing, chat buzzing with excitement, when suddenly your wired headphones snagged from your armchair. I've been there, blah, blah, blah. Whether you're a YouTuber crafting the next viral video or a Twitch streamer, remember, that was our intended audience. We get the key takeaways. Low latency is crucial. You'll just have to reformat that. But it looks really good. Why wireless headphones are game changers for content creators, freedom of movement, personal appearance, reduced technical failures, We're scrolling down. Top picks, best overall. Okay, that looks good. Best for audiophiles. That looks good. Best ultra budget, right? So we're just going to move that. And as you can see, the full article is here. So this is actually a beast of an article. It's pretty long. Let's keep scrolling. So podcast production, multi-device connectivity, troubleshooting issues, battery drain issues, future-proofing your headphone investment, budget considerations, real world testing, my 90-day streaming challenge. This is long. Conclusion, FAQs, and we get SEO meta information. So let's go ahead and copy this over. Let's pop this into a word counter. I'm very curious to see how long this article was. So this article was 3,477 words. So pretty long, pretty in-depth, and really, really good article, as you can see. And it followed the instructions that we gave it. Let's head back over to OpenRouter. Let's see how much this actually cost us. So this cost us about 14 cents to create this article, alongside with the amount that we paid for the researching, which was pretty minimal as well. So about 14 cents for an article like this. This allows you to really scale up your content creation because it doesn't cost you that much. And this was free. And again, if you wanted to, you can simply upgrade to get unlimited content creation per month. And you get access to the world's best model. As you saw, we're using, let's go back here. We're using Sonnet 4, as you can see. And we're using Sonar reasoning for 4. So we're using the best models to make sure we get the best possible outputs. And that's just for one template. As you can see, there's a bunch of other templates in which you can choose from. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any suggestions, any feedback, let me know. We are implementing a lot of changes quickly. So whatever feedback you have, if you give me something the next day, it could be in WordRocket. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want to check out WordRocket for yourselves, head over to app.wordrocket.ai or just wordrocket.ai and sign up for a free account. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.